Hi Mrs. Boyu, it's me. So I'm going to show you how to create or how to make a origami butterfly. So you want to have a piece of paper like this, a notepad, preferably not sticky, but if you have a sticky one that's fine. And then you want to fold it in half like this. Make sure it's fully creased. And then take it out again, and then fold it the other way down, and then take it out, and then I don't know if you see like these angles, these stripes here. So you want to take like a side of it, and you want to you want to fold it in like this, and then there's just this half that you see, and then you want to fold this part in as well, and then fold it like this, and then you want to take this one, I call them leaves, I don't know, put these down so it looks like this, and then do the same thing for the other one, and then you want to take the tail part and then just fold it over onto here, and then you will just fold it like this. Whoop. And this is what it should look like. So hopefully you can get that, and hopefully you learn something. They're a lot of fun. Thank you.